Hi, my name is Adam, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install and integrate our plugin Gatey into your WordPress page or your static page. This plugin provides you the easiest way to link your website with an Amazon Cognito user pool. Let's dive right into it.
I have prepared a new page on WordPress with the default settings. Let's begin. The clock starts now. First of all, let's log into the WordPress admin platform using the original WordPress login terminal, which soon enough we're going to replace with our own. You can find Gatey at the WordPress plugins tab. We're just going to look it up and install. Activate the plugin. And it lives.
Step 0, finished. Step 1, let's create a sign-in page.
Just gonna create a new page and add the authenticator block. Select the color mode, set the language, and type in your custom messages for signing in, signing out, and redirecting. Publish the page, and there we have it.
We created the sign-in page. It still floats in the ether. Now let's put it into operation.
Let's go to General Settings. Select your required identifiers for logging in, the required sign-up attributes. Make sure these settings match up with your Amazon Cognito settings. And now let's link the plugin with the sign-in page we have just created. And we can also define the two default redirects. One the visitor lands on after signing in, and another one for when they sign out. Hit save, and we're almost ready.
And now let's link your Amazon Cognito to your WordPress site.
For linking up, let's go to the User Pools tab in Gatey settings. Copy and paste the user pool ID, the app client ID, type in the region we have selected for our user pool, and finally copy the identity pool ID and paste.
Once we replace the original WordPress login module, we're going to be able to sign in and sign out the admin platform as well using Gatey. So let's make sure we don't log ourselves out.
Let's go to WordPress login in settings and check the integrate WordPress login box, and then just make sure we're not getting logged out of our own WordPress admin platform. We assign a Cognito group for the admin role and add that user pool, to which we have already added our own user in Amazon Cognito. And that's it. If you log out, this is what you should see, the sign-in page we have just created. Let's type in WP admin, and yes, it still brings us to this page, which is exactly what we wanted. And now we should just sign in and go through our own custom sign-in. That's it. That's it. That's how easy it was. So I said I'll do it under 10 minutes. It took 3.5 and counting. So I think I might just show you something else as well.
This plugin is your canvas. It's your oyster. The possibilities of customization go far beyond what I'm going to walk you through right now, but I'll still show you some things because I have so much time left.
Customize the header, just basic WordPress stuff. Customize the theme, patterns, and header. There we are. Click the hamburger and let's find the sign in button. Ditch that And instead, we're gonna add an account attribute block. Also, we will need a login and logout block as well. Adjust the spacing a little bit so that it looks better. And then we're going to say hi to the visitor once signed in with this account attribute. Let's pick given name, prefix and postfix. And bam! Greetings, visitor. Let's level the font sizes, medium. To make sure the buttons and the message follow the login and logout process, let's add CSS classes link to the login and logout button, and then we're also going to add link and authenticated to the message so that the message only appears once we're logged in. And now we're going to add the CSS for the authenticated class. Let's just go to custom CSS in styles. And copy and paste these lines. You can find this piece of code in the description of the video. That's it. Let's see what we just did. There you go. Hi, John. My name is not even John, but that doesn't matter right now. Log out. And you can see you can log right back in. What a beautiful time to be alive. I can log into my admin platform with my own custom login module.
Last but not least, let's create a profile page.
Let's add another page. This is going to be the profile page of our site. I'll just name it profile. Easy. And now we want to showcase the pieces of personal information for the user signed in. It's easy to do with the account attribute block. Let's just look that up, and I'll just do email now. You can go further than that. You can do phone number, and then you can do given name, family name, all that. However, I'll add a message to indicate the MFA status, because of course you can do multi-factor authentication with Gatey as well. Just define them with CSS classes MFA not enabled and MFA enabled. And again, CSS codes are in the description. I'll add the code to the site in a minute, but first let's add buttons for editing profile. Add another row, and we're gonna make 3 buttons. Each button will be an authenticator block, floating. I'll show you how to do it. Just add 3 blocks, and then change the initial screen to each feature. Edit account, make it modal, light theme, English language, and show open button. And that's it. We have an edit account button now. Change password. Go through the same process to make it a floating module, and let's do setup TOTP because we can do TOTP as well. That's it. Now consolidate a little bit. Just specify a fixed width so all 3 fill in the space of their invisible box. Beautiful. Nice. And now let's add the custom CSS classes for disabled and enabled MFA so that only one of the 2 messages appear according to the MFA state. That's it. Again, the code is in the description. And now remember we said hi to the visitor signed in. We're gonna take that to another level and link the profile page to the greetings message, just click on the hyphenated parentheses, that's the universal symbol of link, and search for the page with more success than I had for the first time here. That's it. Just remember that I used a capital. And now let's make the profile page private so that only the sign-in visitors can reach it. And let me just pause the timer. That's it. I have completed extra tasks and I still have 16 seconds left. What do you know? Let's click Hi John, and that will take us to the profile page. Yes, that's it. And now try editing the account and rename myself John. And now my name is John. John or whatever. Yeah, this is how you... This is editing our profile in action here. TOTP and all that. And now if you log out, we will stay on the profile page, but the profile page is now nowhere to be found. Of course, this is more elegant if you add the redirect. After logging out, you land on something else like the main page or a sign-in page. But the point is that if we type in or try to reach the profile page without signing in, we can't reach it. I'll just log back in because I don't feel comfortable here. I want to go back to my page. I want to go back to being John. So I'll just sign back in. Right back in. Home sweet home. I'm John again and I can reach the profile page. Whew. That was tough, man. So in less than 10 minutes, I have replaced the WordPress login. I have integrated Cognito and customized the modules. And I didn't even code. What did you do today?
If I ever click on your page, I hope I'm going to sign up through Gatey. Stay secure.